How's it going, guys? Today I spent a little bit of time working on partitioning my new flash drive that I got for Christmas. It's a 256 gig USB 3.1, and I got 6 partitions on it, and I'm really happy about that. I didn't even know till today that you can only have 4 you can only have 4 primary partitions on any hard drive. And so I've got a bootable Ubuntu image on here, Ubuntu 20.04, the long-term support one, the LTS version, and it actually works. It boots to it. I had to clone the partitions individually, and so I had to use several different operating systems. This is the EasyOS Partition Master Technician Edition on Windows 10, and then this is the, it comes with Windows, the disk management. I had to use this a little bit because it shows things a little bit differently, like this extended partition right here, this green outline, which acts as kind of a container for these 3 logical partitions, so it only counts as 1 primary, and then I can have these other 3 primary partitions, and that's how I'm able to have 6, because most of them are, these 3 are logical inside this container, the extended partition. And I had to do some stuff on Mac, so I've got Mac right here, booted up with the, I don't know what's this even called, the disk utility. I had to do some stuff on there because there are a few, like specifically transferring files with weird file names or file names that are too long, and you know, Windows doesn't like doing it. But most of what I was doing was actually on a live booted disk for Ubuntu 20, and I was just using, so this is it, and I was just using my Gparted on here. This tool is amazing. It lets you clone partitions, copy, paste them across different drives or whole drives. It's great. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about that because that's what I spent a little bit of time doing today, and I'm really excited about it. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I know this one probably will honestly bore most of you, but I was excited about getting my flash drive ready. So if you, I know partitions are some really funky things, especially dealing with trying to get something to boot, but it is something that I kind of enjoy. So if any of you guys ever have questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to go over how to do some partition cloning or entire disk cloning, whatever. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.